Better ways to express commonly used phrases. 1. I don't know. I'm uncertain or I'm unsure. 2. I'm sorry. I apologize or please forgive me. 3. I'm tired. I'm feeling fatigued or I'm exhausted. 4. I like it. I enjoy it or I find it appealing. 5. I'm happy. I'm feeling joyful or I'm delighted. 6. I'm busy. I have a lot on my plate or I'm occupied with tasks. 7. I'm scared. I'm feeling fearful or I'm anxious. 8. I'm excited. I'm thrilled or I'm looking forward to it. 9. I'm hungry. I'm feeling famished or I'm in need of food. 10. I'm cold. I'm feeling chilly or I'm experiencing a chill. Thank you for watching. Happy learning!